Next topic is solution of homogeneous linear equations. Homogeneous linear equations are of Ax equal to 0. A is a matrix. X is the variable matrix, which is x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0. Ax equal to 0 is like this. We are reducing here the augmented matrix AB is the matrix A itself. Augmented matrix AB is matrix A itself. We have to reduce this matrix A into row reduced to echelon form. Then we have to find the rank of A. If rank of A equal to number of variables. Variables are x, y and z. If rank of A equal to number of variables, then unique solution. But the solutions are only trivial solution. We have only trivial solution. Trivial solution means x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. We are reducing the matrix A into row reduced to echelon form. Hence we have to find the rank of A. If rank of A equal to number of variables, then we get the unique solution, but the solutions are only trivial solution. That is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. If it is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix, then we have to find determinant A. If determinant A not equal to 0, then we get only trivial solution. Then only trivial solution. Trivial solutions are x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. If rank of A less than number of variables, if rank of A less than number of variables, then we get infinite number of solutions. Then infinite number of solutions. Another method, if A is a square matrix, we have to find the determinant A. If determinant A equal to 0, then only infinite number of solutions. That is non-trivial solution. If determinant A equal to 0, then non-trivial solution. The non-trivial solutions are infinite number of solutions. Then non-trivial solution. Okay. Now a problem. Solve the system of equations. The equations are given. This is a homogeneous linear equation because the equation is equal to 0. Hence it is of the form Ax equal to 0. That means homogeneous linear equations. Here Ax equal to 0 means matrix A is 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1. Then 2, no y, therefore 0 y, 0, 3 is Z. 1, 2, 3 into x is matrix x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0. Here the augmented matrix AB is the matrix A itself. Augmented matrix AB is equal to matrix A. matrix A is 3, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to reduce this matrix into row reduced echelon form or in the upper triangular form. Here, in the last row, first element is 1. Therefore, interchanging R1 and R3. R1 interchanges with R3. That is 1, 2, 3. 2, 0, 3. 3, 2, 1. Now we have to make these 2 are 0. Then these 3 are 0. The operations are first element 1, first row 1, 2, 3. Now we have to make these 2 are 0. That is R2 gives R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 gives R2 minus 2 times R1. That is 0, 2 minus 4, minus 4, 3 minus 6, minus 3. Then R3 gives R3 minus 3 times R1. R3 gives R3 minus 3 times R1. That is 0, 2 minus 6, minus 4, 1 minus 9, minus 8. Now we have to make this minus 4 are 0. That is, first 2 rows are fixed. 1, 2, 3. Then 0, minus 4, minus 3. Now R3 gives R3 minus R2. Now we have to make this minus 4 are 0. That is R3 gives R3 minus R2. That is 0, 0, minus 5. The matrix A is reduced into row reduced echelon form. Now what about the rank of A? Rank of A is three. Here rank of A is 3. What about the number of variables? Number of variables are x, y and z. That is also 3. Rank of A is equal to number of variables. Number of variables. Therefore, we get only trivial solutions. That is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. That is only trivial solution. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. That is, we are going to verify this. Our matrix form is Ax equal to 0. Matrix A is reduced into 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 0, minus 5 into, what about x? X is x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0. On multiplication we get 3 equations, that is x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. Also 0x minus 4y minus 3z equal to 0. Then 0x plus 0y minus 5z equal to 0. By back-to-back substitution, we get the values of x, y and z. From here, we get z equal to 0. Minus 5z equal to 0, therefore z equal to 0. From the second equation, we get minus 4y equal to 3z equal to 0. Z is 0. Therefore, we get y equal to 0. Then, from the first equation, we get x equal to minus 2y minus 3z. Y is 0, also z is 0. Therefore, x equal to 0. We get only trivial solution. That are x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. This is a square matrix. Therefore, we have to find the determinant A. The given matrix is a square matrix. Therefore, we have to find the determinant A. What is the determinant of A? Determinant A equal to, here 3 into 0 minus 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 0, that is minus 18, minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 20, not equal to 0. Here we get determinant A minus 20, which is not equal to 0. If determinant A not equal to 0, we get only trivial solution, which is the another method. We get only trivial solution, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, also z equal to 0. If we get the unique solution, then the unique solution will be only the trivial solution, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Non-trivial solution means if the solution other than x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0, we get infinite number of solutions. Here in this question, we get only trivial solution, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Next question is solve these equations. Equations are homogeneous linear equations, that is Ax equal to 0. Hence, augmented matrix AB is the matrix A itself. Augmented matrix AB is matrix A itself, which is matrix 1, 3, 2. Second, 2 minus 1, 3. Then 3 minus 5, 4. 1, 17, 4. Now we are going to reduce this matrix A into row reduced echelon form or in the upper triangular form. Here, leading element in the first row is 1. We have to change these three elements as 0. That is, first row is a fixed row 1, 3, 2. Now we have to reduce this 2 into 0. That is, R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. That is 0, minus 1, minus 6, which is minus 7. Then 3 minus 4, minus 1. Now we have to make this 3 as 0. That is, R3 gives R3 minus 3 times R1. That is 0, minus 5 minus 9, minus 14. Then 4 minus 6, minus 2. Now we have to make this 1 as 0. That is, R4 gives R4 minus R1. 0, 14, 2. Now we have to make this minus 14 as 0. That is, first two rows become fixed. 1, 3, 2. Second row 0, minus 7, minus 1. Now R3 gives R3 minus 2 times R2. that is 0, 0, 0. Now we have to make this 14 as 0. That is R4 gives R4 plus 2 times R1. We get also 0, 0, 0. Now we reduce this matrix A into row reduced echelon form or in the upper triangular form. Then what about the rank of A? Here rank of A equal to 2. 1, 2. Rank of A equal to 2. What about number of variables? Number of variables. Variables are x, y and z. Therefore number of variables equal to 3. We get rank of A less than number of variables. Rank of A less than number of variables. Which means we get non-trivial solution. Which means we get non-trivial solution. That is solutions other than 0. Here the solutions are, we get the solutions as infinite number of solutions. Here we get the solutions as infinite number of solutions. The equations are of Ax equal to 0 type. The equations are of Ax equal to 0. Matrix A is reduced into this matrix. That is 1, 3, 2. 0, minus 7, minus 1. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Into x by z equal to 0, 0, 0. By multiplication we get the equations as x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0. Also second equation is minus 7x minus 7y 0x 0x minus 7y minus z equal to 0. We get only 2 equations. Number of equations 2. Number of equations 2. But number of variables 3. Number of variables 3. Therefore we have to choose this 3 minus 2 equal to 1 variable as t. We have to choose 3 minus 2 1 variable as t. Here we have to choose either y equal to t or z equal to t. I am choosing z equal to t. Z equal to t. That is minus 7y equal to z. Y equal to minus z by 7. That is minus t by 7. We get the value for y. That is minus t by 7. Then what about x? X equal to minus 3y minus 2z. Minus 3y minus 2z. That is minus 3 into y is minus t by 7. Minus 2t. That is 3t by 7 minus 2t. We get as 3t minus 14t by 7. That is minus 11t by 7 is the answer. We get the answer for y, x and z. That is z equal to t, y equal to minus t by 7, x equal to minus 11t by 7, which is the answer. Okay, thank you.